Dam Safety Organization is working under the Government of Maharashtra and the headquarters is at Nashik. About 40% of total dams in the country are in Maharashtra state. Today, the number of dams being inspected all over the state is 1500. Dam Safety Organization is having constant follow-up with the field officers for preparing the emergency action plans. Test inspections carried out by the engineers of these organizations are about 60 to 70 per year.
This is the spillway of Panshet Dam in Pune district. The rock in the tail channel is being eroded continuously because of the flowing water from the stilling basin. The fragmentation of the rock needs to be stabilized with the help of concreting. Otherwise, the foundation of the baffle wall will be exposed. The covers of the gearboxes are totally rusted due to heavy rains. It is recommended to replace the covers by fiber reinforced plastic covers. The top of the spillway is damaged at some places where steel is likely to be exposed. This needs immediate repairs. The baffle wall in the stilling basin also needs repairs at some places. Panshet Earthen Dam has vertical settlement gauge on upstream and downstream side. The observations are discontinued since 1983. The upstream side of the non-overflow masonry section of the Panshet Dam is damaged at some places. Graniting has been removed and the masonry face is now exposed. This needs repairs. The porous pipes in the drainage gallery are damaged and they are covered with calcium carbonate deposits. Rubber seals in the outlet gates are damaged and need replacement early. The plaster of the outlet conduit is totally damaged. The red tachyllite rock is exposed on the side faces near the powerhouse, which should be covered immediately. Otherwise, disintegration of the rock and the rock falls will occur. The piezometer room was inspected and it was found that only for the want of a plastic pipe, the observations are stopped for 4 years. Follow-up action with Mary office is expected from the field officers. This is the downstream river course of Varaskau Dam in Pune district. The right bank of the river, upstream of the bridge, is continuously showing the signs of erosion. It is suggested to construct the guide wall to protect the bank. Downstream face of the Varaskau Dam shows the leakage and seepage through the body of the dam. When the galleries are inspected, water is coming out of the porous pipes as well as the other places also. The gallery is totally damp. The electric cables are hanging in the gallery because the clamps are rusted. Dewatering of the gallery with adequate pumps is very essential. Attention is invited to reduce the seepage in the body of the dam. For that, the upstream face of the dam is already treated with gunniting. The present condition of the gunniting is seen, and it is found that the gunniting today is of no use. It is totally cracked, and the steel mesh used for the reinforcement is totally rusted. Remedy to stop the leakage is to remove the gunniting, and the masonry joints on the upstream face are to be filled with rich cement mortar or epoxy mortar. We can compare this dam with the Tulsi Dam, which is 110 years old. Built with lime water masonry, the dam is totally leak proof today, and Varasgaon Dam is only 20 years old. This is the downstream side erosion of the rocks below the Khadakwasla Dam. It is suggested to stabilize the rock with the help of cement concrete. The spillway surface of the dam is also damaged at many places. Leakage through the body of the dam is also observed. Heavy jet of water through the body of the dam was located at 3 spots downstream of the dam, which should be stopped immediately by grouting.
Modak Sagar Dam, built by Mumbai Mahanagarpalika, is completing 50 years. The dam is mostly leak-proof. The downstream baffle wall is having aeration pipes to avoid cavitation in the water jet downstream of the spillway. The erosion of the tail channel is also very less. Tansa Dam has completed 100 years. The dam was built in lime mortar. The dam, though very slim, does not show even sweating on the downstream face. Now it is the time to think on cement concrete durability against the lime mortar monumental dams.